water, soil, minerals, plants, animals and many other things. They are called natural resources which help us directly and indirectly to survive. Forests are an important natural resource and help us in many ways. Let us discuss our forest. Forest is a large area of land thickly covered with trees and having rich natural environment. Animals and plants living in forest. Let us discuss importance of forest. Forests are very important in our life. Forests give us fresh air, wood, fruits, medicinal herbs and many other things. Wood from trees is used to make furniture, pencils and paper and many other things. Forests are home to animals and birds. Forests give us food. Forests absorb toxic gases and thus purify the air. Let us discuss types of forest. There are 5 types of forest. India is a large and geographical diverse country. So there are 5 types of forest: evergreen forest, deciduous forest, thorn forest, mountain forest and mangrove forest. So let us discuss one by one. The first one is evergreen forest. It is also called tropical rain forest. As the name has suggested, evergreen forests look green throughout the year because these trees do not shed their leaves throughout the year. These trees are very tall and thick bark. Evergreen forests are found on the slopes of the Western Ghats and Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu and North East India and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Next one is deciduous forest. It is also called monsoon forest. Deciduous forests are found in the foothills of the Himalayas. Deciduous forest found in foothills of the Himalayas and Deccan plateaus. The main trees are sal, teak, sandalwood and tendu. So next one is thorn forest. Thorn forests are found in and around the dry desert area of Rajasthan, Gujarat and some parts of the Madhya Pradesh and some parts of the Deccan Plateau. These trees have long roots and thick bark, short thorns and very small leaves. They can survive without water for a long time. For examples, kikar, babul, thorny shrubs, bushy trees and date palm. Next one, mountain forest. It is also called coniferous forest. Mountain forests are found on the Himalayas. Mountain forests are found on the Himalayas and Nilgiri hills and Vindhya ranges. Mountain forests are very tall and cone-shaped trees and with needle-shaped leaves. So the main trees are pine, deodar, spruce and primrose. Next one, mangrove forest. So it is also called tidal forest. Mangrove forests are found in Ganga and Brahmaputra delta. See here children, this is the Ganga and Brahmaputra delta. Here we can see Sundari trees. So Sundari trees are very famous in this forest. These trees have special roots and they have to grow above the ground. Next one is save the forest. Children, you already know that humans are cutting trees on a large scale. It is called deforestation. We have to protect our forests because our survival depends on them. So that's why we have to protect our forest in two ways. They are afforestation and reforestation. Afforestation means planting trees in an area that was not earlier forest is called afforestation. Reforestation means planting trees on deforested land is called reforestation. Let us discuss wild animals. India is a large variety of wild animals. In the past, people hunted wild animals because wild animals became extinct. Now, hunting is banned in our country. To protect forest and save to the animals, our government of India has set up national parks and wildlife sanctuaries all over India. National park is an area reserved for preserving wildlife forest. Wildlife sanctuaries is an area reserved for endangered animals. Here we have some important national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. They are, here we have important national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. They are elephants and greater one-horned rhinoceros, Kaziranga and Manas National Park. So it is in Assam. And Asiatic lions, Gir National Park, it is in Gujarat. Then Bengal tigers, the Sundarbans National Park, it is in West Bengal. And also Jim Corbett and Ranthambore National Park. Next, snow leopards, the Great Himalayan National Park. And last one is Indian wild asses, the Run of Kutch, it is in Gujarat.